Hello everyone. Today we're going to try to troubleshoot and fix a Kenmore dryer. This is a 600 series. The problem is that the drum won't spin, but if you push this button right here, the start button, this is what you get, and that's all. So we're going to open it up at the front and try to figure out what's going on. And the first thing you want to do is unplug your power source. Safety first. Take the lint filter out, and there are two screws here. We are going to unscrew that. Okay. Now, using a flat screwdriver, we're going to lift this top cover up. There we go. Same way on the other side. There you go. Oops. And try to push this up so we can see what's going on. Okay, so lift this up. Alright, next thing you want to do is you're going to be unscrewing this screw right here. So let's do that. There's one on each side, there's one there, and another one on that side right there. Also, you want to disconnect this wire, the door wire. Okay, so let's start by unscrewing, removing the screw. So do the same thing on this side right here. Okay, now you're going to disconnect this wire right here. Okay. And what you do is just kind of lift this up there so it opens. There you go. Remove this front panel. We are under the dryer right now. Just cleaning up it up a little bit for me? Thank you. So now what we have here is that the motor is stuck for some reason. I already checked the back of the motor and see if there is a something stuck on the blower on the back side, and there was none. There was a lot of lint on it, but not enough to get the motor stuck and stop it from spinning. So what a friend of mine advised is that I kind of put some grease or oil in here. Where my finger goes, it's hard to see. Anyway, put grease in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put grease around the motor. That area I just pointed, it's hard to see. Actually, it's in here. There. Put grease in there where it clicks, and then try to spin the motor until it softens and becomes easier to manage or to turn. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm greasing up that area where they said okay. Alright. That's good enough. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this belt out of the way for now, so I'll be able to have complete access when I try to oil up the motor. So what I did is that, here's the motor. I oiled this area right here, and I grease in the back right here, put oil right here, and I lay the machine laying flat down with facing the ceiling, so that way the lubricant will drain all the way down. Okay, there you go. Okay, I have an old motor here, so I'm just gonna try to pinpoint and show you where to put the grease and the oil in order to hopefully refurbish and get your motor working again. So you, in this area right here, you want to put like some type of grease there, a lithium grease, I would say. I would use a lithium grease where I'm pointing at right there, and it kind of like slide it back and forth until it smooths out. So you want to put grease around this area. Like I said, I would use all-purpose lithium grease. All right, on that. Now the other one is you're gonna want to get and remove the bearing cap using a flat screwdriver. There, that's a cap right there. Take that out, and you can use an oiler to oil the bearings right there in here, which probably had already in this motor already had dried up and hardened, but you're going to be oiling up the bearings in this area before putting the cap back. You do the same thing here on the other side. You remove the cap and then oil it. Okay, I would suggest maybe using Zoom oiler, and you can put maybe from 10 to 20 drops in there. Okay, and then start turning it until the motor smooth. All right, here we go. Put this in there. In the belt. It's hard to see my hand. There you go. Now it's back. Okay. So in order to put the pulley back, what you need to do is to align it here at the bottom first, and it clicks in. And then you pull the belt like I did. It's kind of hard because I can't. I hope you were able to see what I just did. When I put the belt back, it's because I need both my hands to be able to do this, and I can't really take the picture and do the job at the same time. So I did my best to try to capture that on camera. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything back now where it belongs. We're going to put everything back. Not there, but we need to lock in place. It's not locking because I can't see it. There. It's just locked in there. There. Good. Now we did that. I'm gonna get the screws and put it back. Thank you for the sound effects. Alright, we're gonna put this in. One screw here and one screw on the other side. Can you see me? Yeah. Okay. Like we removed before. I'll put my screw back.
Can't see.
Might need a flashlight. Hold on, give a flashlight. Stay right there. There. Don't drop that down. There. There. Now I can tighten it. Okay. And then the door wire connection should be put back in place. It clicks back like that. See, you're filming the whole thing? So, put this down. And put it back. Using a Phillips screwdriver. And one right there. So now we put everything back. Let's test it and see if it works. Plug it in first. Okay. And here we go. Aha! Now it works. All right. So all I did is just oil up the motor a little bit. I'll show you where the points are, where to put the oil, and also grease it up a little bit. And the motor is back and up and running again. I'll see you later. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.